Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Let's bowl off with some cricket news. Despite limited preparation time ahead of the start of their white ball series in Sri Lanka, West Indies coach Daren Sammy says the team is ready to hit the ground running. The team arrived in Dambulla today after 2 days of travel. After arriving in Sri Lanka on Friday, there won't be much time for coach Daren Sammy to put his players through their paces before Sunday's start to their 3-match T20 series in Dambulla. But with the entire squad having been engaged in the just concluded Caribbean Premier League, Sammy believes all the players will be ready for battle in 2 days' time.
Traveling here to Sri Lanka, the most important thing is the recovery of the guys, and we're going to have a couple days to do that, and a training session before our first game on the 13th. But looking from what transpired in the CPL, my guys are ready to take on a really strong Sri Lankan team.
Household names like Andre Russell, Nicholas Puran, Akil Hussain and Shimron Hetmyer have opted out of the tour for personal reasons, clearing the way for the inclusion of first-time call-ups Shamar Springer and Terence Hines. For Sammy, it's a chance for the team to improve its depth.
Yeah, obviously the roles that they are going to be playing, especially with the ball in the back end, is a role that we are looking for and trying to find specific guys to do that. So that this series, although it's short, only 3 games, but it gives them the opportunity to see and have a taste of the international flavor of cricket.
Sammy has fond memories of Sri Lanka, the country where he captained his first match for the West Indies and led the Caribbean men to their first T20 world title back in 2012. He says he doesn't see a problem with the players adapting to conditions.
From the data that Avinash has given us, will be good. Pitches are good for batting, and just looking at the recent Lanka Premier League, some of the places we play in Dambulla and at Kandy, these are places that produce high-scoring matches. So we will assess the conditions like we always do. Avi will be spot on in giving us the data that we need to help us prepare and plan and strategize, and I think we're more than ready.
Following Sunday's contest, the West Indies take on the hosts in 2 more T20I matches on October 15 and 17, also in Dambulla. The T20 series is followed by 3 ODIs starting on October 20.